Hello children, welcome to our class 6 subject science, chapter 8, fiber to fabric. Today we are going to learn the topic is what are fabrics made up of. When you look at any fabric, it appears to be a single continuous piece. Now look at it closely. What do you notice? Activity 2, threads in the fabric. Take a piece of fabric. With the help of a magnifying lens, observe how the fabric is. Pull our threads one by one from the fabric. Observe these threads. What did you observe? Take one thread, scratch its end. Observe it through a magnifying lens. Were you able to see the fine structure of thread? Yes. Take a needle and try to insert this thread into the eye of the needle. Isn't it difficult? Have you ever seen what people do to overcome this problem? Generally, when we are not able to put thread into the eye of the needle, either we twist the end of the thread or we wet the end of the thread using saliva. There are thread-like structures in the fabric. These threads are also called yarn. Thread-like structures that make up of a fabric. So fabric is made up of yarn. The end of the yarn is separated into thin strands. We find that at this end the yarn splits up into thin strands. The thin strands of the thread that we see are made up of still thinner strands called fibers. Every fabric is made up of yarn. Fibers are the raw material used to make textile items. They are twisted together to make yarns. Yarns are made from fibers from either natural or synthetic sources. They are bonded together to make fabrics. Fabrics are made from yarn. Different fabric types are produced by different methods of joining the yarns together. If it is cotton fabric, it is made up of cotton yarn. Cotton yarn which is derived from cotton fiber. All fabric is made from fiber, either natural or synthetic. The fiber is processed and twisted into yarn. The yarn is the woven on it into fabric. So fiber to yarn, yarn to fabric. Thank you, my dear children.